Hello guys. So if you're looking how to connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite, so you have come to the right place because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. Now without wasting any more time, let's begin. So it's a very simple task. All you have to do is just simply open your browser, then log into your Meta Business Suite. Now after you have done that, click on all tools over here and then go to page settings. Then after that, go to linked accounts. Now over there you will find Instagram and WhatsApp. Then you can just simply choose Instagram over here. You can also link WhatsApp if you want to. In this video I'm going to show you how you can link Instagram. So click on Instagram, then over here click on connect account. Now it will show you few things, so just simply read it, then click on connect. Now over here, if you want to allow messages of your Instagram to show in the Meta Business Suite, you can keep this enabled, or if you don't want that, just simply disable it. So for me, I want it, so I will just simply keep this enabled. Then click on confirm. Now a new pop-up window will appear. So don't worry, Instagram will open in this one. Now over here, what you have to do is just simply log in into your normal Instagram account. Then log in into your Instagram account. As you can see, after I have logged in, the Instagram account has been linked with my Meta Business Suite. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.